In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a promo code for Enterprise. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, on your mobile device, open up any web browser and head on over to Google. PC and laptop users can follow along too. And then once you open up Google, type in promo code for Enterprise. And now, once I've done that, you can see a whole list of results here. I can check on enterpriseacar.com. You got Groupon, got Coupon Follow, Worth a Penny, Coupon.today, We Thrift It, Retail Me Not. So you got all the big third-party websites here. So for this demonstration, I'm going to use Coupon Follow. So Enterprise Rent a Car promo codes, 15% of discount. I'm going to click into that. And now to activate any one of these offers, what you can do is simply click onto it. So for this demonstration, I'm going to get 10% discount using promo code. And now here's the code here, so simply copy it. And now at the checkout section of Enterprise, simply paste in that code, and then that will activate 10% off your order.